The three-day meet is over. A meeting between the government and BJP's ideologue, the RSS, to take stock, set direction and get some candid feedback. And the three-day meet ended with a meeting between Bhagwat and Modi himself. While on day one the meeting focused on economic issues, day two focused on internal security, and the third day focused on social issues like reservations. Sources say the Sangh Parivar feels the government's policies have not had the desired impact on ground. But the biggest area of conflict pertains to handling of economic issues. The Sangh Parivar is clear that indigenous industry needs to be promoted and land acquisition norms must favour the farmer. RSS is ideologically opposed to FDI in retail and defence and any dilution in labour laws.
सुख दूर दूर हो रहा है, इसके अनुभव कर रहे हैं। तो इसलिए डेवलपमेंट मॉडल क्या हो, पर्यावरण की रक्षा भी हो, विकास भी हो, इस संतुलन को कैसे बनाए रखें, भारतीय विचार, पहचान, आचरण, इन सबको ध्यान में रखकर कैसे विकसित करें, ये विचार हमने किए।
The Sangh Parivar is keen that there should be growth of not just cities but villages, as well as environmental concerns which cannot be ignored by the government. The Sangh's wish list also includes sweeping changes to India's education system, besides addressing issues of internal security, including the rising Muslim population in border areas. The annual exercise is likely to set the stage for Modi government's policies for the next 1 year. Even as on ground, feedback from the RSS will allow the party to prepare for upcoming state elections.
RSS wants the government to walk the extra mile to address the social, political and economic agenda in sync with its own ideology. But how will Modi and his men ensure Swadeshi promotion even as they set out to woo the top dollar is where the conflict arises between the fountainhead and the party in power. Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.